Hello, veterinary friends. Welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see question bank 5 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Question 1 about inclusion bodies of infectious canine hepatitis. This is a important disease of the dog, viral disease. Diagnosis: histopathologic identification of large basophilic, amphophilic intranucleation bodies within hepatocytes. The important finding is basophilic intranuclear inclusion bodies within hepatocyte, the cells of liver. Question 2. Scrapi. Scrapi is one of the several transmissible spongiform encephalopathies. In short, it is called as TSEs. Spongiform. The brain becomes sponge-like. There are vacuoles in the brain and cells of the brain. And the cause is intracytoplasmic vacuoles in the neuron of brain. That is the characteristic of this disease. What is the scrapi? It is a disease of SIP, involves the central nervous system, characterized by incoordination, causing affected animal to rub against the trees and other objects, and that is for the support, because there is leg weakness in coordination. So animal SIP require all the time support and thought to be caused by a virus-like agent such as a prion. Question 3. Cutaneous signs of swine fever. That is also a characteristic. There is hyperemia and purple skin discoloration of the snout, ears, lower abdomen, and inner side of the legs. This is the characteristic. Question 4. Most sensitive animals showing urticaria. The answer is horse and pigs. This urticaria is the most common causes are mostly insect bites, certain allergic foods, medications, or infections. In this urticaria, there is usually a self-diagnosable symptoms. From the clinical signs, it is easy to diagnose. The lesions are itchy, the lesions on skin are raised, lesions are circular in shape and flat topped. The color is red or skin colored welts or will on the skin surface. Certain lesions coalesce together to form a large plaque. This is a characteristic of urticarial lesions. Question 5. Vesicular exanthema of swine. In short, it is called VES. Vesicular exanthema, the symptoms are same as that of vesicular stomatitis and foot and mouth disease. They are difficult to differentiate from this disease. The cause: genus Vesivirus, family Calciviridae. The clinical signs are acute, highly infectious disease characterized by fever and a formation of vesicles on the south, oral mucosa, soles of feet, coronary band, and between the toes. The reasons are similar as that of vesicular stomatitis and foot and mouth disease. Question 6. Type of rabies transmitted through wildlife. Earlier we have seen the question type of rabies transmitted through dog, that is called urban. Now here transmitted through wildlife, that is called as sylvatic type. The rabies infection is maintained in two epidemiological cycles. One is urban and the other is sylvatic. The urban is transmitted by dogs, sylvatic transmitted by wildlife. The sylvatic is transmitted by an important vector, vampire bat. The name is Desmodus rotundus and that is existing in Amazon region. Question 7. Synonym of thyroidosis. The various synonyms are East Coast fever. The disease is commonly found in disease of cattle in eastern and central Africa. So name is derived East Coast fever. Red water because Theileria organism causes lysis of RBC. There is severe anemia. The blood becomes watery. The animal becomes very pale. So red water. Another name is Rhodesian tick fever or sometimes it is called as Rhodesian red water. This disease is observed in Rhodesia. The theileriosis is caused by mainly three protozoa, Theileria annulata, Theileria parva, and Theileria mutans. Question 8. Content of sporulated oocystop isospora. There are two sporocysts and each sporocyst contain two sporozoites. So total four sporozoites. Question 9. The symptoms of Q fever. The symptoms are mild disease in ruminants. It causes abortion and stillbirth in cattle, sheep and goat. This is a zoonotic disease, can infect a human. This Q fever is a widespread disease and caused by a bacteria Coxella burnetis or burnetii. Infected mammals, birds, reptiles and arthropods. Question 10. Bacillary white diarrhea in poultry. This bacillary white diarrhea in poultry is the most threatened disease in poultry birds, especially broiler industry, and it is caused by Salmonella pulmorum. The symptoms are the major signs of this disease are white diarrhea. So name is given bacillary white diarrhea. Inappetence, ruffled feathers, closed eyes, loud chirping. Another characteristic symptom is vent pasting, gasping and lameness. So here two important symptoms, white diarrhea and vent pasting in bacillary white diarrhea of poultry. Question 11. Typical posture in Marek's disease is an important question. Here there is asymmetrical progressive paralysis of legs and wings. Characteristic. Asymmetrical, that means one leg may suffer from paralysis, other may not. One wing may suffer from paralysis, other may not. So asymmetrical. And progressive means occurring slowly progressive paralysis. And this makes a typical posture a split leg stance. That means one leg is forward and other leg is backward. Question 12. Aspergillosis in poultry. This is a fungal disease caused by Aspergillus fumigatus. The symptoms are in acute form, there is fever, there is chest pain because this aspergillosis produce a nodules and inflammation in the lung. So there is chest pain, cough, coughing up of blood, shortness of breath, silent gasping, and rapid breathing. These all symptoms are due to affection of the lung. In chronic form, there is ocular discharge. In ocular form only and wasting. Question 16. Enterotoxemia in sheep and goat. Very important disease in sheep and goat is enterotoxemia. It is such a severe that it causes high mortality. It is also known as overeating or pulpy kidney disease. This is a condition is caused by Clostridium perfringens type D. This Clostridia produce exotoxin and this toxin causes death of the sheep and goat. Question 17. Laboratory findings of intestinal obstruction. The characteristic is that it showed neutrophilic leukocytosis, one thing, hypoproteinemia, hyperglycemia, elevated blood urea nitrogen, and a severe hypokalemia and hypochloremia. This is the characteristic finding of intestinal obstruction. Question 18, important question. Pregnancy toxemia in use. It is also called as lambing sickness because during the later part of the pregnancy, the Eve becomes sick, so it is called as lambing sickness. It is also called as twin lamb or kid disease because this disease is more common in when the Eves carrying twins. If the Eves carrying one kid, the chances of this disease are rare. But if the Eves carry more than one, two or three, there are more chances of pregnancy toxemia. The principal cause is low blood sugar or glucose during later part of the pregnancy. Now, how this occurs? This pregnancy toxemia is a common metabolic disorder of Eves. Important is usually carrying multiple fetuses, more fetuses, and it is caused by increased energy requirement in the late stage of pregnancy because more number of fetus require more energy, and if sufficient energy is not supplied through diet, the animals suffer from hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. There are chances of ketosis, and that leads to a disease, pregnancy toxemia. Important disease. Question 19. A bloat inducing fodder. Important question. The answer is excessive ingestion. Remember the word excessive ingestion. Ingestion of large amount of lush green leguminous fodder such as lucerne, berseem, or clove. This leguminous fodder produces a froth, a soapy froth, and though and so it causes a blood. Question 20. Cause of death is strychnine poison. The main reason is asphyxia, lack of oxygen. Strychnine poisoning affects many organs. It causes cardiac arrest. Important is respiratory failure that lead to asphyxia. There may be multi-organ failure or brain damage. So these important organs, the brain, heart and lungs are affected. There is asphyxia and death due to strychnine poison. Question 21. Specific antidote for nitrate poisoning. The specific antidote for nitrate poisoning is methylene blue chemical. This methylene blue causes a rapid conversion of methoglobin to hemoglobin. It is a specific treatment of nitrate toxicity. Question 22. Cause of Azoterian horse. Important question. This disease is observed when exercise is given and it occurs during exercise after a period of rest of 1 or 2 days. Remember this thing. Exercise given after a period of rest 1 or 2 days, and during the rest period the full ration is given, especially carbohydrate, to an active horse. So when the horse is given a full ration, especially carbohydrate, during rest period, there is accumulation of glycogen in muscle. Then when exercise is given, this glycogen is converted into lactic acid. Being acid, it causes damages to the muscle. So for the prevention, during rest period, reduce the ration to half. So there will be less accumulation of glycogen in the muscle. Question 23. Causes of pica in dog. There are several causes. One is a boredom. In dog it is very common because dog will be alone animal in the house. Alone animal in the house. So when boredom is there, it try to eat the other substances. Pica means eating substances other than normal food. It is not a food. Sometimes learned behavior, they will make a habit of pica. Another important cause is stress or anxiety, fear of punishment. Important causes are deficiency of dietary bulk and deficiency of nutrients, especially minerals and vitamins. So psychological treatment and supplementation of minerals and vitamins causes cure of pica or allotriophagia. Question 24. Rate of withdrawal of blood from the donor animal for blood transfusion purpose. The answer is the rate of withdrawal should be 10 ml per kilogram of body weight. Question 24. Pathognomonic lesion in the death due to blood transfusion reaction. Answer is submucosal petechial hemorrhage, almost in all submucosa. An important finding: pulmonary edema. Dear friends, requested to forward this information to our dear vets and requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time we'll come with question bank number 6 in the subject of veterinary medicine. Thank you.